Hello, I'm Dr. Seema Bhandari. I'm the Director Academics and Administration here. We have planned one event, Junior Aahwan. It is the result of lots of thought and dream of our chairman and the principal. It means that every child, whoever is in our class, right from the play school till pre-nursery, nursery, till class 12th, have to participate actively in sports.
JBM Global School lays emphasis on sports. It has all Olympic-sized facilities. All courts are Olympic-sized, be it skating, basketball, lawn tennis, football, cricket.
The event is really good, and even not only children, parents also enjoyed it.
My daughter enjoyed and so did I.
It's one of the only schools in this area that I have experienced that gives a lot of exposure to children. The teachers are genuinely interested in their students. They want them to excel, and no matter even if they're shy, they will really bring them to the front and turn the child around.